everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing okay. Today we're going to be opening up our Kit of the Month from Unity Stamp. I received it on the 14th of July. I'm not sure if it came any earlier than the 13th. The reason why I said the 13th is because when I checked the mail on the 14th, the mail carrier had just arrived. So maybe it came on the 13th, but I got it on the 14th. Also, to be fair, I don't check the mail that often, maybe twice a week, just because it's really hot here currently where I live. So let's see what we got. I did do a sneaky peek on the website, not actually in the packaging. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Now, if you're into upcycling, recycling, this plastic would definitely be really good to use. So this is what we got this month. It says Kit of the Month, Fresh Air and Sunshine, which is cool. We have a lady with her hair in like a little loose, messy braid. Today is always the best day. This drink with the strawberry inside. Get some sunshine and fresh air. Hello there. May your heart be brave, your mind fierce, and your spirit free. Some sunglasses. I wonder if these are going to be stacked or individual. Probably stacked. These beautiful seashells, because you know that is what I love. This flower. I don't know what kind of flower this is. Hibiscus? I don't know. Today is your day, and then this swimsuit, I am definitely assuming it is a piece because I got to say. And then this vintage looking swimsuit and more drinks. This one has an orange or a lemon wedge and it says smile. Also, you usually get some type of free stuff with it to give you inspiration to do a few things. Oh, great. Something has rolled away. Looks like these little sequin pieces. You can definitely do other things with this. I've seen people make earrings with sequins before, so this would be cool to make some earrings. I think you get 6 in there. Some tags. Now you know I like a tag. This is a good maybe 7. This tag would be a good tag to copy. Both of them would be. And you get 2 sheets of pattern paper. Also very cool. And some blue ribbon. So they're sending us to the beach for real. And the stamps. So these, I'm not gonna pluck them out because I can do that when I actually use them. And plus, I need to put them on my quote unquote system of storage because it's just some type of residue. I like to take the back off. I like to take this paper right here and laminate it or make a copy of it, laminate it, and make it sticky. Not sticky, but when I laminate it, I take this back off and put it on the back of this, and then you have your little sheet, and then I slide it into a binder. So that's what I want to do, but we're going to just look at this, how big these are. Now, the one thing I do like about Unity, and I'm glad they are bringing back the ladies. I think the last stamp set we had, we didn't have, we just had clothing. We didn't have this, but you know I'm okay with that too. I think what we've grown to love about Unity is the oversized stamps, which is always great. Like this is a big sheet, and these are huge in comparison to other stamps you may get this size. So this stamp measures roughly 4.5 by, let's see, 3. So 4.5 by 3 approximate. All right, so that's a large stamp, and then this one is a whole image of its own. Let's see, and this is about 5 by 3 as well. So that's a really nice size. I can really tell that some months they enjoy. It seems like they enjoy certain months more than others. So this is a 2-piece swimsuit, which is cool because this could actually be a bow tie. I want to pull this one out real quick. So the way they made it, it doesn't have to be a top for a bikini. It could definitely be a bow tie, and that is cool. The bottom piece I'm not sure about, but you know you could probably figure something out to do some layering. We get this large drink over here and this small one, but these I think I'm gonna really want to come up. So I do have a project that I'll be sharing with you when I use this next month. Anyway, I want to say thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.